Hi, Stefan. Nice to meet you, and thank you that you are available for our interview.
Yeah, thank you, Wolfgang, for having me.
So we worked together for quite a time, but can you give us an overview about yourself and what PeoplePath is doing for our audience?
Great, sure. So my name is Stephan Herrlich. I'm a founder and co-CEO of PeoplePath. At PeoplePath, we believe that lifelong relationships are the foundation for mutual success. And to explain what this means, think about the fact that a current candidate for a position in your organization can be tomorrow's client, and that the employee that you're onboarding once they leave may be an even bigger brand advocate and do more for you than they do when they're a current employee. So at PeoplePath, our mission really is to help our clients engage with talent across the entire career lifecycle. And as a software as a service company, we have built one platform, one product on which we run multiple solutions for our clients to help engage with talents when they're candidates, when they're employees in career transitions, and when they're former employees and alumni.
Nice. And I heard that you have also very prominent customers who have big alumni networks and run that via your platform.
Yeah, absolutely. So we work with organizations of all sizes, from what we consider small companies starting at 1,000 employees, all the way to hundreds of thousands of employees. Yeah, the solutions that we provide are going from engaging with candidates and along the candidate journey, succession planning. And a very, very popular product of ours is the corporate alumni solution, where we help companies engage their former employees.
Very, very nice. So when you started the company, I remember once in Munich and are now in the States, working together with your two co-CEOs. So when dealing with software and software supporting the job of a manager and of a CEO, what are the biggest challenges that you see so far in the current software landscape?
Well, so when it comes to planning and reporting, for us at PeoplePath, the biggest challenge we have really is to create alignment within our organization on what it is that we're looking to achieve and tracking our path there. So, as background about PeoplePath, we have teams operating out of Munich in Germany. We have a development team in Pilsen, the Czech Republic, and we have a team in Seattle, Washington, in the USA. So, across these different locations, there's your software development, your server ops management, customer success, marketing, sales, operating in their different systems. Each system is built of purpose built, so CRM systems, HR systems, financial systems, etc. So managing an organization where you have all these multiple systems requires a lot of effort to bring operational data, financial data into one place. And that's sort of the biggest pain point, is that manual process that is taking up so much energy to just get to a place where you have some transparency. So creating alignment in our team across those locations and across those functions is our biggest challenge.
And in that context, you already know and work a lot also with ValueWorks. So where do you see the biggest benefit that ValueWorks brings to the table for your company and yourself?
Yeah. So, creating this cohesion, this internal cohesion is, I think, the biggest value that we'll be getting, out of working with ValueWorks. I think, there is sort of the legwork, integrating data, finding some way to automate the process of aggregating data, visualizing it, I think that's, sort of the key first step of the value. But I think there's even more to that, and that is not only having that, creating some sort of organized process and data visualization, but having that domain expertise. So being able to discuss how we're operating with you and your colleagues is tremendously beneficial, and even more, building on those best practices and being able to challenge ourselves with external data that you guys collect, benchmarks, and seeing how we're doing compared to others in our industry. That's all tremendously beneficial for us.
Very good, and thank you very much for the positive feedback. And practically, what motivates you to use ValueWorks then on a day-by-day basis?
Yeah, I think so. It sounds like a grand statement, but I really believe that working with ValueWorks in the end will allow us to deliver on our strategic plans more effectively. And that'll mean we'll grow faster. We'll have teams that are aligned in a better way, that track and create better value for our clients. And so the whole organization will just get more efficient. But even more so than getting more efficient is also fun along the way. So a big part of the motivation is that this is an aspect of the business that is really fun to operate if you operate it well. And being able to work with you and your colleagues also as one of the first clients is going to be a tremendous experience. And so it'll be fun to drive something of such high value for our organization, but also to enjoy the process of doing it.
Thank you very much. And all the best going forward for you and PeoplePath. And I look forward to the ongoing collaboration with you and the next steps in our journey. So with that, thank you very much. Take care and all the best.
Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity, Wolfgang.
Bye.
Take care.